anh yêu vùng lại về contribution của buổi tại cái bầm cầu là nó đâu yêu khẳng trong phải không
Nam Isro Kuna Gun Sagai này đi đầu cũng nghe ta khăn ạ đúng thả tắt không sao khi không hay bằng luôn cái chuyện mà đúng là giáo phạt nghe mấy thứ kiểu này đi kè luôn cái Sagai hai đỉnh đây sắp hôm mình luôn đi đầu còn nung luôn nung taram gai đi sang cùng lòng Hawaii đi sang amon pui số có sao
Apo sa nang ni nang lung nang jaga hage khani nang pop nang piang ga hage kumi tikin nang nyen mai the ai tu amun pu nai mai ti the ra rin ding mai khot ne tu thai gok nan mai tong kin kho nai thuk mai su kan dio
asanam si heli.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We warmly welcome each one of you to the third Asa Bamduan Trophy organized by Sonram Youth Club. Our respected chief guest of honor, our chief host, the AMFA team, the player, the organizing team, and my dear congregation. Once again, I, Guikhanliu Malingmei, and my co-host, Mai, we are glad to welcome each one of you. May I have the honor to highlight today's program.
The third Asa Bamduan Trophy 2023, organized by Sonram Youth Club. Active goals with focus. Our chief guest is supposed to be our Honorable Emily Guikhanliu Malingmei, but due to the unavoidable circumstances, he has sent his representative, Mr. Charles Liang. A guest of honor, Paul Kasamthai Faika Gangmai, MCF CEO, ADC Tamanglong, Paul S. Emotional Maikai, MCS SEO, Video Tamanglong, Paul Paul Nansha, MCS SEO, Video Tausem, Ford, Paul Amos Kamai, Video Tamanglong, Paul Chungong Pamai, Video Horticulture and Social Conservation Tamanglong, our chief host, Paul Namchurai Thai, my ex-official chairman, Sonram Village Authority. Details and sequence of today's program. Opening prayer will be led by Paul Ringbolung Pamai, Deacon Sonram Flower Baptist Church. Welcome song from Women's Society, Sonram Flower Baptist Church. Flag hoisting by our chief guest, which will be followed by a welcome and keynote address from Paul Guikhanliu Malingmei, Chairman Organizing Committee, which will be followed by a choreography from Group Sisters. A speech from Chief Host, which will be followed by a special number from Paul Matthew Kamai, our guest artist. After which there will be a speech from Paul Kasamthai Faika Gangmai, MCS CEO, ADC Tamanglong. There will be a choreography from Women's Society, Sonram Flower Baptist Church. After which there will be a song from Luke Mighty Rose. A speech from Paul Nansha, MCS SEO, Video Tausem, which will be followed by another choreography from Akosi Dangsu. A speech from Paul Amos Kamai, Video Tamanglong, followed by a special number from Paul Namdisin Kamai. A speech from Paul Chungong Pamai, Horticulture and Social Conservation Tamanglong, which will be followed by an oath-taking led by Paul Gungapo Kamai, Assistant Finance Secretary, Organizing Committee. A speech from our chief guest, dedication and prayer for the players will be led by our respectable Reverend Kamai Pastor, Lower Sonram Baptist Church, which will be followed by an inspection of team and opening match kickoff by our chief guest. Without wasting much time to begin our program, I would like to request Paul Ringbolung Pamai, Deacon Sonram Flower Baptist Church, to invoke prayers for the opening prayer. Nhiều người chơi khoang số mày, anh nhiều đồng chí cần Paul Ringbolung Pamai, kamay na pala na, anh nhiều đồng lan pa nila swerte lalong may sige ko.